Welcome, my dear students of BSc Second Semester Zoology. In continuation of the online class, today let's discuss about the larval form of Echinodermata. Echinoderm are unisexual, sexual dimorphism is absent, fertilization is external, and the cleavage is radial, holoplastic, and intermediate. Development is mostly indirect, having larval stages. The larvae are bilaterally symmetrical. It undergo metamorphosis, and the radial symmetrical adult is developed. Different classes of echinoderms have different type of larvae. These are the larval form found in different classes of Echinodermata. The first one is the Asteroidea. In case of class Asteroidea, larval form Bipennaria and the Brachyolaria are found. In class Ophiroidea, larval form is called Ophiopluteus. In Echinoidea, it is called Echinopluteus. In Holothuridia, Auricularia. In Crinoidea, two larval forms are found, Doliolaria and the Pentacrinoid. Then now let us discuss one by one. First, let us discuss about the Bipennaria larva. It is the first larval form of Asteroidea. It is bilaterally symmetrical, free-swimming, free-feeding pelagic larva. The pre-oral region is elongated, post-oral region is broad. It possesses two ciliated bands, the pre-oral and the post-oral bands. The anterior end of the archenteron develops as mouth, whereas the blastopore becomes the anus. The digestive system is developed with mouth and anus. The larva resemble Tornaria larva of Belanoglossus. The pre-oral and the post-oral ciliated band, pre-oral and the post-oral ciliated bands are continued over a series of prolongations called arms. The arms are a pair of pre-oral arm, a pair of pre-oral arm, a pair of post-oral arm, a pair of anterodorsal arm, a pair of posterior dorsal arm, a pair of posterior lateral arm, and the median dorsal arm, ventromedial arm. Then after a short period of time, it transforms into Branchiolaria larva. Then the next larval stage is the Branchiolaria larva. This is the next larval stage of the Asteroidea. And the Bipennaria larva swims for about 6 to 7 weeks in seawater, and it transforms into the next Branchiolaria larva. Branchiolaria larva is bilaterally symmetrical larva and very similar to Bipennaria. In this larva, three additional non-ciliated branchiolarian arms having adhesive discs at the tip are present. They are at the pre-oral lobe, one median and two lateral in position. Mouth, anus, and endometrial canine are well developed. The larvae show old arms that are seen in the Bipennaria, but these arms are very long and hanging. These ciliated arms will be helpful for swimming in the water. Development of the starfish takes place inside the sedentary Branchiolaria, which ruptures and releases tiny starfish into water. Then the next larval form is the Auricularia larva. This type of larva is found in the class Holothuridia. This larva is transparent and free-swimming pelagic larva. In this larva, arms are absent and the ciliated bands are well developed. Elementary canine is developed, which open with mouth and in with anus. Internally, the larva has cuff intestine chassiform stomachs. It swims about by a ciliated band, which form pre-oral loop and the anal loop. Next larval form is the Ophiopluteus larva. It is a larval form of class Ophiroidea. It is a free-swimming, bilaterally symmetrical and having a single ciliated band. It shows many long arms with ciliated band at the margin. It has two anterior lateral, two posterior, two posterior dorsal, and two posterior lateral arms. Out of this, posterior lateral arms are the longest and directed forward. It has comparatively a smaller pre-oral lobe. Elementary canine is developed, which open with mouth and end with anus. The larvae swim for some time before undergoing metamorphosis. Next larval form is the Echinopluteus larva. Echinopluteus larva is a microscopic free-swimming larva of the class Echinoidea. This larva shows ciliated bands which are developed into arms. Fully developed larva consists of 6 pairs of arms supported by calcareous rod, and its tips are pigmented. Posterior lateral arms are very short and directed outward or backward. Locomotion is by ciliated bands, which in some cases become thickened and called equalitis. The digestive system is developed, which shows mouth and anus. It develops hydrocele and vestibule. This part grow on the oral side of the animal. From the hydrocele, 5 radial cannon well developed. This larva undergo rapid metamorphosis and develop into an adult. Next larval form is the Doliolaria larva. It is a free swimming larva of the class Crinoidea, that is ciliaris. It contains an apical tuft of cilia which will be sensory. On the mid-dorsal line near apical plate, a decipit will be present. The body shows 4 or 5 ciliated bands. In between third and second ciliated band, vestibule is present. Larva has no mouth. After swimming for some time, it will develop a stalk. It is called pentacrinoid larva. It will attach to the substratum. The internal organ will rotate at 90 degrees, develop into an adult. All the significance of the echinoderm larva. All the larval form of echinoderm have a bilateral symmetry. Hence, it is believed that the ancestor of echinoderm was a bilateral symmetrical animal. Thus, the study of echinoderm larva has a phylogenetic significance. Thank you for watching.